Alright everybody, we're going to do a short field takeoff in the Cessna Conquest. We're taking off from an airport called Ponoka. Ponoka traffic, Sierra Echo Alpha, backtracking for runway 16. It's going to be a south departure for Calgary and conflicting at Sierra Echo Alpha for Ponoka traffic. And we'll advise on the roll. So it's a relatively short runway. And by that I mean there's no balanced field length for this airplane. This runway does not qualify, so we have to be cautious. And we're going to turn around here, use every inch of this runway, because if we do have a problem, we want to make sure we have enough time to stop. This guy here in this truck is stopping to watch us take off. Okay. So we did our pre-takeoff checks already. Our autopilot is set up, but we're not going to need that for now. Okay, we're going to line up here. Okay, anti-collision lights are on, pitot-static stall vane heat's on, auto feathers armed. We did our auto feather check already. Pressurization is set. We're going to turn the bleed air on. Air conditioner can come off. And altitude, we're going to put 10,500 feet for now. And then we'll pick up our IFR clearance in the air.
And if you want to become a member of the YouTube channel, get access to so many more POV flying videos, more in-depth videos on my life as a contract pilot, as well as career advice for those aspiring pilots out there, then you can become a member, and it also goes to help support the channel so I can keep making videos like this one.
Okay, and I'm going to set this on to our flight plan page, and then this here I'm going to put on our map here. Alright, we're going to stand on the brakes. Ponoka traffic, Sierra Echo Alpha is rolling runway 16. Okay, we got takeoff power, 1,100 foot-pounds of torque each, and another 100 pounds will come in just with the ram air going into those engines. Alright, airspeed's alive. There's 70 knots, 80 knots. No lights, we're going to continue. 90, and there's 100. Rotate. Pause the rate, tap the brakes, landing gear's coming up. And let's climb this baby. Yeah. We got about 2,500 feet a minute. Ponoka traffic, it's Sierra Echo Alpha just off of runway 16, and we're starting a gradual right-hand turn southeast of the airport for Calgary and conflicting at Sierra Echo Alpha for Ponoka traffic. Alright, landing gear's up. We can turn the taxi light off. And manually adjust the trim here. And let's go direct to our first waypoint, which is Advox. And then we're going to have to pick up our IFR clearance in the air. I'm squawking 1,200 right now because we are VFR. Ponoka area traffic, it's Charlie Foxtrot Sierra Echo Alpha, Cessna Conquest, currently through 4,500 feet, climbing to 10,500. We're approximately 3 nautical miles to the southeast of Ponoka Airport, en route for Calgary, and conflicting with Sierra Echo Alpha, Ponoka area traffic. Okay, now we're going to make another radio call here on 126.7. This is general traffic call for the Ponoka area traffic. It's Charlie Fox Sierra Echo Alpha, Cessna Conquest in the climb southeast of the airport, about 5 nautical miles through 5,700 in the climb for 10,500. Conflicting Sierra Echo Alpha, Ponoka area. Now, if anybody else is in that area, they should be monitoring that radio and making sure that they're talking to us. Okay, let's try Edmonton Center here. We're going to monitor the other frequency. Edmonton Center, good afternoon. It's Sierra Echo Alpha. That's Charlie Fox Sierra Echo Alpha, just off of Ponoka. VFR, we're squawking 1,200 right now, and looking for an IFR clearance to Calgary Springbank. We got an IFR in the system there. Get ready to copy our clearance. Sierra Echo Alpha is cleared to the Springbank Airport via present position direct Advox, flight plan route, climb maintain 12,000, Sierra Echo Alpha. Okay, you can see with light on fuel, light on passenger load, everything, you can get the airplane off pretty quickly, but still have to consider if you did have a problem and you had to try to stop with the remaining runway left, you could be in a pickle. You eat up a lot of that runway in that initial takeoff roll. It looks like we're going to go over top of these clouds here, which is going to be nice. Okay, we got 12,000 in the box. Over top of these clouds, it's very beautiful. I love it. Should have cleaned the bugs off when I landed there in Ponoka, but I forgot. Sorry, everybody. Alright, we're above 10,000 feet. I'm going to turn our anti-collision lights off. Everything else can stay. Pressurization's looking good. Alright, everybody. We're going to land at Calgary Ponoka Airport. Clear land runway 170 Echo Alpha. Thanks. Now we're clear to land. We are high. So, you know what? This is good practice. What do we do if the airplane is high? Remember your very important rules of aviation, of flying, that you learn in flight school. And that is pitch controls speed, power controls descent rate. So we're going to bring the power levers back, silence the horn. We're going to bring a little bit of flaps. Speed's good, below 175. Bring the first notch of flaps. And we're going to bring the landing gear down. We're going to dirty up the airplane, create some drag, because look how high we are right now. We need to descend. But obviously we get the landing gear out, 3 green, belts, brakes, gear, 3 green, on the mirror, mixtures of props. We're going to bring those up. It's going to help us slow down a little bit. And switches, everything's good there. And now, because we're going to arrest that descent rate, we're going to have to start adding some trim and a little bit of power. Look at that. To stop that descent, we add a touch of power, and then we adjust with pitch to maintain that speed. Once you get really good at it, you can do it pretty much naturally. Alright, speed's good. We're going to land with 30 degrees of flap this time. Runway looks clear. Gear, props, flaps. And we are clear to land, everybody. Alright, so we want to start slowing up here. Gear, props, flaps, runway's clear. We are cleared to land, and this is looking good. The power, just slowly walk the power levers back here. We are pretty light. Got light fuel right now, and we want to cross about 102. This is looking good. Looking good. A little bit of right rudder there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I was a little slow there coming over the runway, but I'm going to try to make this silky smooth. Not so silky smooth today, but that's okay. A little bit of beta. Flaps can come up. Bring the pressurization off. A little bit of back pressure. We're going to make Charlie here for the exit. Spread my ground. It's Sierra Echo Alpha. Looking for taxi 2 Delta South, please. Actually, disregard that here. Can we get the main ramp here? We're going to grab a little bit of fuel. Alright, we're going to sneak on in here to the ramp.